Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can send big videos via WhatsApp. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let us get down to our topic. So, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And in order to send a video to some person, you will first need to go to Chats and further select the conversation with the person to whom you want to send this video. After that, in the bottom left corner, click on the plus sign. And if you, as you usually do, for example, when you send a photo or a video, you will go to the Photos section. You'll select a video here. And send it. It will of course be sent, but it will be of poor quality, because WhatsApp will reduce its quality and also maybe it will then be displayed much worse on the person's phone. In order not to lose quality, especially if it's a long, big video, then you need to change the sending a little bit. To do this, also click on the plus sign, and then select Documents, Photos or Videos. And here select the video you want to send in the gallery. Then click Send. And as you can see, the video is now sent as a document, so it doesn't lose its quality, which is especially nice if you're sending a big video for a few minutes. Then when the person will view it, they will view it in good quality. Friends, in this way you can easily send in good quality. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.